Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This case is made by AINOYA. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so you can get this case from Amazon. It's the AINOYA compatible with Galaxy Note 10 Plus case, clear, anti-scratch, shock absorption cover for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, this is a crystal clear version, transparent. AINOYA, I think that's how you pronounce that name. It may or may not be correct. If it is not correct, please forgive me. But the case costs $6.99, and you can get a coupon as well to get it even cheaper. Now we're going to test this out. I like, testing out a case that's below $10 because I don't like to use cases, per se, but I have to because I want to make sure I protect my device. But when I get home, I take it off. So you don't want to spend a lot of money on that. I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so here's the case. Pretty simple wrapper, maximum protection, born for innovation, Liu design. I believe that's what it is. But let's go ahead and take this out of the pack here. Okay. Nothing else in this pack. Let's put that to the side. Now this is a pretty soft case. The back is not hard plastic. It's pretty soft as well, but it's pretty clear. As you can see through it pretty good. It's not a bad looking case for $6, $7. It's got bumpers on the corner here. The camera's raised. Got all your button covers right there. Openings right there. And we'll see how those line up when we put the phone in. But no branding on this. I don't see anywhere, so that's pretty good. But it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel cheap. Nice rubber feel. I think it's going to have some grip. We're going to go ahead and put the Note 10 Plus in and see how it looks. Okay, so we got the Note 10 Plus here. We're going to go ahead and pop it inside this case and see what it looks like. Hopefully it fits well. It's got a nice rubber feel to it. So the case went on okay. The sides are fine. I don't feel much any movement there, so at least not easily. So that's pretty good. Now, as you can see, everything lines up here. You got your S Pen, your charging port, your speaker grill right there. And that's covered for some reason. That's interesting. That's covered. That's not going to work. So I was just talking about the speaker being covered, but what it is this channeled to the front. So you got a port here that's channeled to the front, and I will say how that works, because that's pretty good when you have a case that works really well. So that's pretty innovative right there. And then you got your charging port, your mic right there, and you got your power button that works pretty good, no problem there. And you got your volume up and down rocker right there, your mic and your speaker right there. So we're going to see how this actually works with this ported speaker down here to see what that looks like. I'll test that out as well. But the camera looks pretty good. This finished area right there, and it's raised, so you're gonna have no problems there. Now you got these bumpers on the corner. That's not too bulky, but it's gonna give you more protection. So the case is you got a little bit of branding right here. I didn't see that, but no, that's a lanyard hole right there. So lanyard holes right there if you use that. But the S Pen, it's kind of tight in there, but you can get to it, no problem. A little tight though. It is tight. You're gonna be able to stick a small finger in there or something. So that's kind of tight right there, but I think you can work with that. But not a bad looking case if you want a clear case that's inexpensive that you can put on and take off as you want. Really lets the color shine through on a device, so that's pretty good. Okay, so we're going to test out the speaker to see how this port works. As you can see, it's covered right here, and the sound comes out in front, so you won't be able to block the sound coming from the device. So that's going to help there. But let's go ahead and see how this sounds. Sounds pretty good. So it sounds pretty good. Not too bad there. All right, let's check out the wireless charger on this case. So wireless chargers come through right there. Let's check out a different charger, see how it works on this one. So charging comes through there. Let's lay it down and see what happens when we do that. Okay, so you got the charger there as well. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This case is pretty good, $7. You got the port for the speaker right there. That's something I wasn't aware of when I purchased the case. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comment. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.